Stuck between Luminar Neo and ON1 Photo Raw for your photo editing? Let me help you choose the right tool. Today we are comparing two AI powered photo editors that aim to simplify editing while delivering professional results. Both Luminar Neo and ON1 Photo Raw handle raw files, layer based editing, and AI powered enhancements. They position themselves as alternatives to Adobe subscriptions with one time purchase options. Luminar Neo from Skylum emphasizes simplicity and AI automation. It offers one click sky replacement, portrait retouching, and lighting adjustments that work with minimal user input. The interface feels clean and modern with tools organized into logical sections. On one photo raw targets more experienced photographers needing deeper control. It combines raw processing with a full Photoshop like layer system and advanced masking. The software includes extensive preset collections and customizable workspaces. The main difference is workflow philosophy. Luminar Neo gets you great results quickly with AI doing heavy lifting. On one Photo Raw offers more manual precision for photographers who want pixel level control. For features, Luminar Neo excels at quick fixes like enhancing landscapes or cleaning up portraits automatically. On one Photo Raw provides better local adjustments, advanced masking tools, and more flexible export options. Both handle noise reduction and lens corrections well. Pricing is similar with both offering subscription and perpetual license options. Luminar Neo runs around $80 for a full license. On one, Photo Raw costs roughly $100 with upgrade discounts for existing users. So, which suits you? If you want beautiful photos with minimal editing time, Luminar Neo delivers amazing speed. If you prefer detailed control and advanced layer workflows, on one photo raw fits better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more photo editing comparisons. See you next time.